So the building industry in Cody is very strong. A lot of big homes going up, a lot of great jobs, a lot of tile. I started elevation flooring in February of 2018. I feel like we really try to work with the customer to fill their needs, whatever that may be. So we probably started using spin doctors about 3-4 years ago. I could see a difference in the quality of my work. As time goes on, the tiles keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And you know, tiles may have started out as like 8-inch by 8-inch tiles, and you could lay them without lippage problems. But what Spin Doctors does is they take the lippage out of the tile. By using Spin Doctors, honestly, I can walk away from a job with an installer I may not even know that well, or a newer installer, and know that if he uses this product, I don't have to worry about potential problems with the different heights of tiles. I've used other products, and the ease of the Spin Doctors, you don't need any additional tools. Other products, you have to have hand pliers or different types of tools to tighten their product, but with Spin Doctors, you need two things. You need their top spinner and the base plate, and that's it. You keep the spinner, that's reusable, and the base plate breaks off. I would say that using Spin Doctors has changed the way we do business by, I'm going to say, a 30% better tile job because of using their product. We've been able to put the price of the Spin Doctors right into the job and really have not felt any customer complaints about it. Well, I would say anything over a 12 by 24 tile, we definitely use Spin Doctors on. With framing materials now, you show up to a job site, there might be framing that has been exposed for months, and the 2x4s twist, and you get different types of situations where you'll still shim the walls, try to get it as flat as you possibly can, but with using the Spin Doctors, it's really helped level and get a much more quality, especially a shower, custom showers. By using Spin Doctors, to be able to offer a finished product that you can walk into and have a smooth, no lippage floor, no lippage showers, to me it's awesome to be able to rely on a product when I can walk away from my guys and know that they're going to have a job that's quality.